Here's everything you need to know before buying Quillbot AI, broken down into 12 essential points to help you decide if it's worth your time or if there's a better option. Stick around because we'll share an alternative you can try for free. First, Quillbot is known for its paraphrasing tool, and it does this better than most competitors. It's quick, user-friendly, and ideal for rewording sentences. But here's the catch. It's not flawless with context and may require manual adjustments to maintain meaning. Next thing, it offers a grammar checker and plagiarism checker, similar to tools like Grammarly. However, these features aren't as advanced. If your focus is academic or professional writing, you might find other platforms offer deeper insights and accuracy. The third thing you should know is that Quillbot has an AI summarizer. It's convenient for condensing articles or research papers, but compared to competitors like ChatGPT, its summaries sometimes lack depth or miss critical nuances. Fourth, Quillbot's pricing is competitive. With a free version and a reasonably priced premium plan, it's a budget-friendly choice. That said, some competing tools like WriteSonic or Jasper AI include more robust features for only slightly higher costs. Another important point is that Quillbot integrates with platforms like Google Docs and Microsoft Word. This can be a huge time saver, but keep in mind that integrations may occasionally glitch or fail to fully support larger documents. Next thing, its content generation capabilities are limited compared to other generative AI tools. If you need long-form content like blog posts or marketing material, Quillbot's AI isn't as capable or flexible as Jasper AI or ChatGPT. Seventh, Quillbot supports multiple languages, making it appealing to non-English speakers. However, its performance in non-English languages often falls short compared to tools specifically built for multilingual support. Eighth, the software is browser-based, so it's accessible without requiring a download. But unlike some competitors, there's no desktop app or advanced offline functionality, which can be limiting for certain users. Another consideration is its simplicity. While the interface is intuitive, it's almost too basic for advanced users who want more customization or control over the AI's output. For professionals, this could feel restrictive. The 10th thing is its customer support. While Quillbot offers assistance via email, it lacks live chat or phone support, which some users may find frustrating if they encounter urgent issues. Next, Quillbot's updates and innovations have slowed compared to competitors. In a rapidly evolving field like generative AI, this could mean falling behind in delivering cutting-edge features. Finally, while Quillbot is a solid option for basic rewriting and summarization, it doesn't shine as an all-in-one solution. If you're looking for something more versatile with advanced AI capabilities, there are better options. Overall, Quillbot is a good choice for straightforward tasks like paraphrasing or light editing. But if you're serious about getting the most from AI tools, check out our recommended solution. It's more versatile, powerful, and you can try it completely free. Details in the description.